Hey guys! In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 3 best Ninja single-serve blenders in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Hamilton Beach Personal Blender. Hunting down the list of the best blenders that provides the maximum value proposition for personal uses could not be completed without this Hamilton Beach. Well, why not when you are getting this deal breaker at everyone's budget range? Yes, you heard that right. Comparably excellent performance and appealing design are the key traits to fall in love with this personal blender. Currently, this blender is offered in 6 versatile colors to suit your style. On the contrary, we must not ignore the compact design that makes it user-friendly to carry during travel. Nonetheless, the one-touch crushing feature allows you to blend common to fancy ingredients. Therefore, having a guest or stubborn toddlers who demand recipes like smoothies, marinades, or salad is not going to bother you anymore. The backbone of this little but powerful blender is its 175 watts of the motor. Indeed, it is quite a performer and fast enough with the stainless steel-made blades. Number 2. Our second best pick is Oster BLSTPB WBL Blender. We would say the Oster BLSTPB WBL is the best personal blender out there, but it is the standard one for the sports and travel people. There is no extra attachment without the jar itself so that you can carry the blender anywhere, anytime. As the blending mechanism is set up with one-touch action, using it is easy for busy people. All that you want to do is clean the blue powder bottle after use. Nothing is complicated with this pick. By spending that less, you are getting something that also comes with appraisable safety measures. Therefore, your blender is not going to bother you with overheating issues. Crushing ice is also acceptable by the Oster blending machine. And why not if there is a 400 watt of superior motor included inside? Overall, the handy dimensions, the large size of the cord, resettable fuse, and adequate crushing power made this blender top-notch. Nonetheless, an affordable price, that is all you want, right? Number 3. Last but not the least, our third best pick is NutriBullet Pro High-Speed Blender. If you don't have any budget issues and don't want to compromise with the performance, then NutriBullet is the match to catch up. With the combination of personal design and professional performance, this NutriBullet is one of the best single-serving blenders on our list. The inside 900W motor can generate maximum torque that is required to crush any ingredient in your fridge. Whether it is nuts, seeds, frozen vegetables, or fruits, this monster is equally reliable. On the flip side, the equipped extractor blades are always ready to create a cyclonic impact in order to deliver satisfactory blending results. If talking about jars, those are also safe and reliable since these come with a BPA-free tag. As a result, no plastic smell, no contamination to your health. Without offering bullet-like force, NutriBullet also offers you a chance to choose your own custom color to match with your kitchen. So, make sure to buzz their door as soon as you are impressed enough to buy one. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.